Hey, Skoolie Nation! In today's episode, the humans finally deal with the bus's original wiring. Stick around for the entire step-by-step process.
Killer Skoolie. Greetings, Skoolie Nation, and welcome to the Killer Skoolie channel. Broadcasting from the Killer Skoolie Orbital Command Center, I am Logan 12. The humans have been dealing with electrical wiring one way or the other since the initial demolition phases of the Skoolie bus build began. Lights and speakers were removed as the ceiling came down, along with a sundry of other electronic devices, leaving those loose wires everywhere. When the humans raised the roof, some wires even had to be cut for lack of slack. They also found that a school bus with a 20-year history contains an assortment of useless, unused, and presently defunct wiring that just gets in the way. Now that the humans are replacing lights and preparing for spray foam installation, all those nasty wires need to finally be dealt with.
Hey, listen up, Skoolie Nation! The Killer Skoolie team has a little website. There you'll find ways to support the humans with this project. You can also find photos of the bus, conversion articles, and other helpful information. Check it out at killerskoolie.com and let us know how we can better serve you, the Skoolie Nation.
Thanks, Ed. That's Ed the undocumented space fungus, everyone. Great job, Ed. The humans began by reconnecting any marker light wires that had been cut during the roof raise. Remember, if you cut one of these wires, make sure to label it. Later on, you'll be glad you did. The human female spliced in new wire for the marker lights to fill the gaps and crimped them together. After that, she separated all unused wires from the wires that the humans still intended to use. The unused wires will eventually be traced back to their source in the electrical control bay and terminated. The functional wires were then bundled and wrapped with electrical tape. Once that was done, the humans used 2-inch PVC pipe straps and loosely attached them to one of the horizontal furring strips. With those in place, they unboxed some 1.5-inch flexible conduit. Working together, the humans placed the taped bundle of wiring inside of the flexible conduit before securing it into the pipe straps on the furring strip with a small screw. spray foam installation, the humans will relocate their temporary wiring bundle. It will migrate a few inches lower and be encased with trim. What's coming up next time, Ed?
Alright, Skoolie Nation, how about a thumbs up? In our next episode, the humans install new running lights, eliminate emergency flashing lights, and patch up all the holes they've created. You do not want to miss that. So click the subscribe button below to subscribe to the Killer Skoolie channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications. And leave a friendly comment for us in the comments section so that we know our broadcast is reaching the surface of the earth.
That's right, Skoolie Nation. And don't forget to visit killerskoolie.com for more information. That's killerskoolie.com. Hey, Ed.
What's up?
What happened to the naughty wire?
I don't know.
It was grounded. Get it? Grounded.
Thanks for watching, folks.
Killer Skoolie.